Today's topic is factors affecting photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process which is affected by both environmental factors and the genetic factors. Genetic factors are also known as internal factors, and environmental factors are also considered as the external factors. External factors which affect the rate of photosynthesis, these include sunlight, carbon dioxide, temperature, water, soil and nutrient supply. Whereas the genetic or internal factors, they are related to the leaves, and these include age of leaf, number of leaf, size of leaf, leaf angle, leaf orientation, mesophyll cells and chloroplast. Photosynthesis is affected by all the environmental factors at a given time, but according to the F. Blackman, he gave a law of limiting factors. F. Blackman gave a law of limiting factors. According to the law of limiting factors, photosynthesis is limited by the slowest step in the pathway. जैसे कि हमने क्या कहा, फोटोसिंथेसिस इज अफेक्टेड बाय अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, टेम्परेचर, वाटर एंड सनलाइट. ठीक है, एक गिवन टाइम पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज अवेलेबल, water is available, leaves are green, chlorophyll is available, sunlight is not available. या हम ये क्या कह सकते हैं कि टेम्परेचर, ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर प्रेजेंट नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लाउडी वेदर. Because of the cloudy weather, the optimum temperature is not available. Although the other factors are available, then the rate of photosynthesis will be controlled by the temperature, or we can say the sunlight. So this is the slowest factor. तो यहाँ पे rate of photosynthesis कौन determine करेगा? Temperature. So F. Blackman, he gave the law of limiting factors, and law of limiting factors states that at a given time only the factor that is most limiting among all, which is the slowest factor, will determine the rate of photosynthesis. Means the rate of photosynthesis is always determined by the slowest factor, that is the most limiting factor of the all. Now let us discuss these factors one by one. First is light. Both quality and quantity of sunlight, they affect quality and quantity of sunlight, they affect the rate of photosynthesis. Light between the wavelength of 400 to 700 nanometer, it is most effective for photosynthesis, and it is called PAR. PAR is photosynthetically active radiations. And chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, maximum sunlight, in which wavelength? Chlorophyll absorbs maximum sunlight in wavelength of violet, blue and the red color. Violet blue वाली कौन सी थी? That is the 400 nanometer. And red wavelength कौन सी थी? That is the 700 nanometer. And chlorophyll reflects light in the green range, that is wavelength of 530 nanometer. Therefore rate of photosynthesis is maximum in blue and red light, and it is minimum in the green light. So when, लेकिन लाइट इंटेंसिटी में भी एक लिमिट है. इफ जनरली तो अमाउंट ऑफ सनलाइट or the quantity of sunlight, it increases the rate of photosynthesis, but light intensity falling on the leaf if it is increased beyond a certain point, then chlorophyll is destroyed. Chlorophyll gets destroyed, and this phenomenon occurs in the presence of oxygen, and it is called photooxidation. It is called photooxidation. And then the carotenoids, they absorb excess of sunlight. When carotenoids, they absorb excess of sunlight, they act as antioxidants, and they detoxify the bad effect of activated oxygen on chlorophyll molecules. So the first factor was the sunlight, both quality and quantity, they affect the rate of photosynthesis. Quality में हमने क्या mention किया? The wavelength. The rate of photosynthesis is maximum in blue and red light in these particular wavelengths. And if the green light of wavelength 530 nanometer, it falls on the green plants, it is reflected back. And quality में हमने क्या किया? Quantity. Normally the rate of photosynthesis is increased by the amount of sunlight falling on the plants. But if the light intensity falling on leaf increases beyond a certain point, then chlorophyll is destroyed, and a process takes place in the presence of oxygen that is called photooxidation.